Chat! Second seek chase, here we go! Dude, started it way too early. Oh my god, I haven't seen this. What the? Okay. Straight. Straight. Left! Jump. Pipe might break. Jump. I've never seen this. Am I the only viewer here? I have no idea. I cannot feel it. I've come this far. This is the farthest I've ever gone. Right. Left. Height. My gosh. He's so close behind me, I can hear him. Right side, nice. Left side, nice, I'm guessing. This is so stressful. My gosh! Did I make it? Let's go! What's this? Bro? Freaking boss battle! Chat, huh? What in the heck is this, chat? Y'all better be clipping this stuff whenever something happens, because I'm focused. Pump. One pump on. Off? What does that do? I'm holding out my crucifix. I ain't risking none of this. We need another pump. Oh, the one over there. Oh, you gotta jump across this? Parkour. Parkour. Bro, there's hands that grab you too? Oh. Oh my goodness. I gotta beat the mines. I gotta try. Chat. Here we go. Oh, we gotta go 2 more pumps. He died! Fucking hell, I told them to stay there! There will also be sneak sharks. Fuck's sake. Oh no, stay away, stay away, stay away. He's chasing after me. Okay, so I guess I have to wait. Oh no. No. Not good. Get away! Dang it. Arm? It's coming closer. I'm taking my time with this. No. Chat. Chat, what do I do? I don't want to die. And I don't want Dread to come and kill me. Lord! Chat, do you see my health? Chat, do you see my health? Dread doesn't spawn in this room? Good. Do you see my health, chat? Come on, there has to be something. I'm not proceeding without taking my time. Oh, I can do it though. I'm at 90, so in reality there should be 10 left. And then a boss battle, unless this was the boss battle, but oh, chat. I gotta go back down and check those lockers. I need he needs. Let's go. Here we go. No. Which one? I went from... No, I have my stick there. I have my stick there. Oh, that one. Crap. That was the furthest away, too. Shit. Oh, my God. And? Get away from me. Nope. Keep it moving. Keep it moving, baby! That's the strat! The guy left the game, by the way. Okay. There's more? Oh, Lord! What in... There's another boss battle after this, I swear, dude. How many floors? That's 1, 2, and 3. So there's gotta be, this has to be the last one, because, you know, games like even numbers. Okay, that's 1. Do I have to cross it, or I have to cross it? How do I do it with this thing chasing me? Okay, next one we go. Okay, he doesn't always hit us. It's good to know. Okay, we got this one. Oh my gosh, I'm glad I looked behind me. Okay, one more. Right? Yeah. Although I might be able to bug the system. Chat? Maybe I could bug the system? Yes! Let's go, chat! Secured instant win. There's still more pumps? Chat. Did I not do both of those? I did both of those. I did that one over there. But I did that one over there. Oh god, what am I missing? Oh, that one isn't on! And the rest are off. Okay, we found the one. It was the opposite side. Heck yes. Here we go, chat. What's going on? Flushing it down the toilet. Where are we? Down the drain. Down you go. Beat Seek in the dam. No way! Well, that's for sure. If we see him in chapter 3, he's no longer coming back. Hey, my buddy's stuff I can sort of maybe get back. No, I can't get that back. That's gone. Well, wouldn't he like to know that I successfully made it? And guess what? Chat. We did it. And Pico, you must be a luck charm, because when I tell you the amount of times I've tried this, this is my first time doing this exact thing. I've never made it this far, and I'm actually gonna, well, we still got 10 more levels, I believe. But, wow. Let's go. Let's see what else there is. Sure, there's a lot more to see. We got that big thing upstairs we gotta go through, so this must be a loot room. Or it's a locked room. Ladies and gentlemen, we just defeated Seek in the Drain through the dam. It's time. A ladder, okay. Gotta be very quiet. Is that ending music? Chat, we still have 10 more doors though. Are we outside? We're outside! There's the rift thing. Is this what that one scene was hinting at from the original floor? Looking for secrets, chat. As deeply as I can. That was door 100, you think? I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure 190 was that boss battle, so... Chat. We got music playing. Hold on, before I go through that door, I know there's gotta be a secret. Okay, I can't go in the dam. Nothing. Okay. Chat. Let's explore. No secrets, no achievements. And I haven't looked up anything. I'm not trying to spoil it for myself, but I know this game and I know games in general as a game developer myself. There's still goop here. Chat? I think that was the mini boss battle, because whatever this castle's for, I don't think it's just going to be a smooth ending. There's a slight hint of eerie music. There's my games if you guys want to play them. There's my YT and my DC server. Let's proceed. No way, is that the end? Opening the door. I know it's gonna leave us on a cliffhanger though. What's it gonna be, chat? What's it? I knew it! The grumble's back. I told you I recognized that slop on the ground. But it's an infused one and they're gonna combine! Tell me how I predicted this! I thought there was gonna be a combined, but we're not doing it now. To be continued. See you soon. That sure was the beginning. Escape the mines. Unlocked achievement. To be continued. Reach door 200. That was door 200. See? What? Chat, we beat the end. Escape the mines is now going to be my new achievement I'm going to host on my character so people can see that I beat the mines. To be continued. Reach door 200. I'm screenshotting that right now. Room survived 100. Escape floor 1. Gold found 100. Ladies and gentlemen, we did it. Now we just have to wait 2 more years for the next chapter. Yeah, exactly. But yo, hey, the dev smashed it at this. For the content packed in this, the systems, the integration, the everything. The developer that worked so hard in this, props to you, man. As a game developer, I realized the work that was put into this. And the time that it took, too. He went silent on it. He went silent on it, grinded it out, worked hard on it. Didn't, you know, reveal or spoil really anything. And within a reasonable amount of time, this was released. And my friends, that was pure gold. No, pure diamond. That was diamond. Where there's a big ball of Seek rolling around with hands that grow out of it and slap you down. With big attacks that sweep you. Sort of like the, yeah, Grumble Boulder, exactly, but with Seek, and it can grow hands and reach out to you. So it would be able to reach through doors, which you sort of hinted to. That's probably what this boss is going to be like. Although not through doors, it's most likely going to be in a battle arena at the end. But I'm curious to see what next story there's going to be. If we're going to be walking through castle type of area, or if the next one's going to be more of an open world now that we've came above ground. Because we were originally in the rooms, then we went lower, then we fully escaped, and now we're at a castle. But I don't think making a whole rooms, again, just based off of castles, is going to be a great theme. Although he could, it's either going to be with castles, or most likely an open world, like he showed us there with a lot of the grass. In that grassy area, maybe we will be in a grave, or an open area type of thing.